From Birmingham to Oxford by train is about 1 hour. We availed of a walking tour from their Oxford Student Guide program to learn about their colleges scattered within the city of Oxford. Walk through the historic university city of Oxford and find the famous film locations inside the colleges that were featured in many of the early Harry Potter movies, and learn about the places across the city that inspired the movies. The University of Oxford is a collegiate research university in Oxford, England. There is evidence of teaching as early as 1096, making it the oldest university in the English-speaking world and the world's second oldest university in continuous operation. Oxford is one of the world's top research universities and boasts world-class facilities for study and research. It is famous for its research excellence and innovation and home to some of the most talented researchers in the world. Oxford's colleges are small, multidisciplinary communities. Each one has students, academic staff, and administrative staff. Most colleges offer meals, libraries, accommodation, sports, events, and other opportunities to enrich your Oxford experience. The University of Oxford has 36 colleges, 3 societies, and 4 permanent private halls of religious foundation. The colleges and PPH are autonomous, self-governing corporations within the university. These colleges are not only houses of residence, but have substantial responsibility for teaching undergraduate students. Generally, tutorials, which is one of the main methods of teachings in Oxford, and classes are the responsibility of colleges, while lectures, examinations, laboratories, and the central library are run by the university. Students normally have most of their tutorials in their own college, but often have a couple of modules taught at other colleges or even with faculties and departments. Most colleges take both graduates and undergraduates, but several are for graduates only. Located in the University of Oxford is the History of Science Museum. This holds a leading collection of scientific instruments from Middle Ages to the 19th century. The museum building is also known as the Old Ashmolean Building to distinguish it from the new Ashmolean Museum completed in 1894. The most famous physics exhibit surely is the blackboard written on by Albert Einstein when he gave lectures in Oxford. It is perhaps the most lasting legacy of a visit that Einstein paid to Oxford in the spring of 1931. Exeter College is Oxford's 4th oldest college. It has occupied much of its present site since 1315, a year after it was founded on April 9, 1314. Founded by Walter de Stapledon, Bishop of Exeter. According to our guide, the college has rich history and a beautiful campus located in the heart of Oxford. This building was filmed in one of Harry Potter movies. Just like stepping into the Harry Potter world and join his adventures.
Pero nikat-kat gihapon siya, uy. Dili niya makayag kinto. Pero ninduta, di mo skila diri, no? I mean, though, mga bright should kayo tanan mo skila diri.
Radcliffe Square is a square in central Oxford, England. It is surrounded by historic Oxford University and college buildings. The square is cobbled, laid to grass surrounded by railings in the center, and is pedestrianized except for access. The square is named after John Radcliffe, a student of the university who became doctor to the king and made a large fortune and left significant legacy to the university and his college. The centerpiece of the square is the circular and imposing Radcliffe Camera, a library originally for science paid for by John Radcliffe's legacy, built in 1737 to 48. This is part of the Bodleian Library, the main building of which is situated immediately to the north of the square. The two are connected by a tunnel and are many books stored under the square, with space for around 600,000 volumes. The Bodleian Libraries is a collection of 28 libraries and is a must-see cultural destination in the heart of Oxford. It was founded by Sir Thomas Bodley and was officially opened in 1602. Since then, they have grown to be the largest academic library system in the United Kingdom. In its reading rooms, generations of famous scholars have studied through the ages, among them monarchs, Nobel Prize winners, British prime ministers, and writers. This castle-like Christchurch College is arguably the most impressive Oxford college and one of the most popular colleges to visit. Sir Robert Peel in Oxford matriculated at Christchurch in 1805, where he was the first student at university to study a double degree in classics and mathematics. Oxford has educated several heads of state and government, such as British Prime Ministers Tony Blair, Margaret Thatcher, and David Cameron. Their experiences at the university contributed to their impactful tenures as leaders, shaping the United Kingdom's political landscape. As of July 2024, of the 58 prime ministers to date, 31 were educated at the University of Oxford, including 13 at Christchurch College. The most famous student in Oxford University is Albert Einstein, the Nobel Prize-winning physicist, graduated from Christ Church College. Christ Church College served as filming locations for various aspects of the Harry Potter films, including Bodley's Staircase and 2 college cloisters, which appeared in the first 2 Harry Potter films. Another connection is this village is the dining hall.